everyone, I'm Jalpa Lakhani and today I'm going to present you data visualization with Power BI and Tableau. So first we go through this today's discussion. What is data visualization? The next is important of data visualization. In this section we will discuss why we need to represent our data in format of chart and table. The next is guideline while representing our data. What kind of rules and instruction we need to follow when we create a chart or a table. Then last is example of data visualization with Power BI and Tableau. Power BI and Tableau, it's a platform that provides us various features to create a chart and table. Data visualization. Data visualization is used to communicate information clearly. In short, it gives us deep insight into our data set, and us it makes us easy for access the data and utilize the data. As I said earlier, Power BI and Tableau gives us various features. Some of are here, some of charts are here: bar chart, area chart, a tree map, scatter plot, pie graph, Gantt chart, and funnel. The next is importance of data visualization. It conveys a lot of information in small space. Um, for our data set take a large space to store, while we can easily store our chart in a small space. Data visualization can identify area that need improvement or a modification. We can take action to improve our sales and profit by forecasting. Large amount of complex data set is more comfortable in comparison to studying the spreadsheet and reports. Studying the spreadsheet and report is really boring, while with the help of chart we can easily grab the chart and we can easily see the trend and what is the maximum minimum value at some of point. And charts is really interactive and we can cover the large audience with the help of chart. And the next is guideline of data visualization. It is really important to choose the right chart for our data set, and we make sure that our chart is clearly labeled, and it also shows the label on x and y axis, and data speaks clearly. As I said, our with the help of chart we can analyze our data, like we can easily analyze what is the trend of next year. And next is check layout to ensure maximum clarity. For example, we need to choose that kind of color that is really easy to visible to the users. And the next is example of data visualization. Here is my data set, and this data set shows the polls engagement and certification of each poll from year 2015 to 2020. This is my data set, you can see that. And the next is Power BI. Power BI is business intelligence tool that convert the data from different data source to interactive dashboard and BI reports. So here is my you can choose your data set from here, and you can see that here is lot of option for visualization. Here I choose the line chart, and this is my field. You can choose any of format from your field. Here I choose close date and final water count. And the next is you can customize your x-axis and y-axis. You can see that here I choose the color and color of label and text size. With this option you can play with the data with many options. And the next is forecasting. You can see that here I choose the 10 points on a forecasting and ignore the last two. And uh, seasonality is for you can choose any of color. Here you can see that I choose the dashed line for forecasting and continuous line for my data. This chart is really interactive. You can see the any of you can see the data at any point. And back to the slide, the next is visualization with Tableau. Tableau is also one kind of tool that provide us dashboard to represent our data. This is my Tableau. You can see that here I choose the sum of rows, sum of rows, sum of final water count on a rows, and here in a quarter format on a column. You can customize the color and size of your chart. And at this point, this is really interactive, and you can see this forecasting on my chart. uh, and you can play with the data. Here is my field. Back to this slide, I hope you guys are enjoy. This is my reference link. This is my reference link. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoy.